Hey everyone, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to add a new client onto FreshBooks. So this is going to become particularly useful in case you want to actually have a recurring client and basically send them estimates or proposals and also save all their important information. So this is going to be a quick and simple video, so make sure to follow it step by step in order to learn how to actually add a client onto FreshBooks. So first we're going to go onto our FreshBooks account, which looks like this right here. And then on the left hand side, we're going to click on clients. Now, once we reach this page here, you're going to click on new clients, and then this is where you're going to be able to fill out the information. So we're going to say John Doe, company name, John Co. And then for email address, I'm just going to input a dummy email here that I've created, and then you can enter their phone number, and then you can enter other information as well. In my opinion, the email address is probably the most important one just because that's how we're actually going to be sending them estimates or proposals. So from here, we're actually just going to go and scroll up and click on save. Now that we've added a client to our FreshBooks account, let's actually go ahead and test it out. So on the left hand side, we're going to click on estimates and then click on create new, and then click on estimate. Now when you actually go ahead and click this select a client box, you're going to see your client pop up. So if you have multiple clients, you could actually just search for them here and then click on their name. And as you can see, the estimate is now prepared for John Doe of John Doe Co. And it also has their email automatically saved when I click on this send to estimate button. So that is actually how to add a new client onto FreshBooks. If you know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.